Welcome, everyone, to the February edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name is John McNamara, Highball Advisors, and great, almost spring-like day here down in Greenville as I film this in late January. But a lot of things happened this month. You know, the markets are taking off, but I think what you want to notice is that that DeepSeek came out, which really knocked the AI markets, specifically NVIDIA. And the only reason I raise that is the point of diversification in your portfolios. Never be beholden to a single stock in your portfolio, because one day you wake up down 17, 18, 19%. So, you know, anything can happen. So, especially the railroaders who hold maybe a lot of railroad stocks, same type of thing. Something could happen, knock the stock down. So think about that as you plan for the new year coming up. This month, I have some really interesting stuff on the whiteboard. How the Social Security Fairness Act affects your railroad retirement. That's been a really big topic, one of my biggest videos of all time. A lot of confusion around that topic, so check out that video. Mailbag, why does my wife lose her railroad retirement spousal annuity when I pass away? Right? Another big thing about estate planning, right? What does your spouse receive when you pass away? That spousal annuity does go away. Check out that video. The economic chart of the month I have is stocks had a great year in 24. What to expect in 25. So stocks were up 25% in 2024 and 26% in 2023. So those are two great years. So what are we going to expect this year? It's going to be very interesting, that's for sure. And then finally, great checklist on what issues you should consider for start of the year, right? So get your planning done for the beginning of the year, things to think about, cash flow, your estate planning, taxes, all those type of things you want to be checking out. All right, so, you know, listen, railroads, I'll talk to everybody next month. And until next month, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.